Hey guys, Lev here from Agilite. Today I'm going to show you our new MD2 Smart Compact Trauma Kit. So we're super proud of this one. We developed the MD2 during the war, sending prototypes in and out of Gaza with our SF partners to fine tune it and get it just right. And now it's on the front lines and saving lives. I'm going to show you some of its unique features, some of the pain points we've solved here, and just why this is a great way for you to carry your individual first aid items. So let's dive right in. Over here on the front, as you can see, we have two slots on either side, ambidextrous for trauma shears with an optional piece of one wrap you can add in there. So this means you can put in trauma shears from either side. Just kind of hold them nice and securely. You can add the optional strap, but you don't necessarily need it. Over here in the top, we have a collapsible tourniquet holder, which is a great spot to put it. If you don't want to have a tourniquet holder here, you can simply cinch down and adjust the cord lock in the back, and then this sits flat. It doesn't add any extra bulk or get caught in anything. Now let's deploy it. To deploy, we simply pull out like that. The whole sled comes out on the inside and is ready for use. So what is the advantage of a deployment system like this as opposed to an elastic deployment system or a buckle? So the advantage we have here is that this tightness inside here and the rapid deployment isn't dependent on elastic, which means that if you have this thing overstuffed, you've added some extra items, it's not going to be too difficult to put it back in. And if this is half empty, you're still going to be able to put it in and securely close it, and you're not going to be worried about the elastic not holding it enough, maybe it's sliding out. Here on the tab ends, we've added some custom pullers that are just a great way to get a good grip from either direction. Super tactile. If you have bloody, muddy, wet hands, whatever, you're wearing gloves, it's going to be super easy to find this and pull it really hard and just get that out there. Let's open up the pouch. So to open it up, you can see that it just flops open like that, and we have some really great compartmentalization on the inside. So we have 4 separate compartments that can be either used in conjunction, like these ones, where you shove something to the long ways inside, or you can put things in individually. It's all completely versatile, which means that you can take this out here, put it here, this here, put it here, whatever you want. You can put a Sharpie over here on the middle. And what's really nice about it is that when you go to use it over here, I can take one thing out without having to take everything out, right? So I don't have to spread all my gear out on the ground in the mud or in the dust or whatever. And if I need to go in a hurry, I can just close it up, Velcro it up, stick it in my pocket, or put it back into the case. For us, it was very important that everything here is super predictable, super dependable, because when you're in a high stress situation and you're actually using either your buddy's MD2 or using your own, you want everything to be right where you left it. You want to be able to put it on the ground, look at it, say, okay, this is here, and you want to be able to quickly pick it up and move if you have to get out of there. So put it back in, simply fold it up, make sure that the text is facing up and outwards, and then you can slide it in. You'll notice that the red aligns with red, which makes it super easy to figure that out as you're going. Then just a matter of closing these and you're ready to deploy again. So super easy, in and out. So why did we go with a white cross? In the IDF, we mark our medical pouches with white because it's easier to find them at night. The cool part is that you can just grab a Sharpie and color the cross in whatever color you'd like. So let's talk about mounting options. Over here in the back, we have MOLLE. MOLLE is the best way for you to attach it to your magnetics battle belt. Just MOLLE it on securely right in the middle. It's not gonna move anywhere, and super easy to do. You can MOLLE this on, obviously, to a cummerbund if you want to, MOLLE it onto a backpack, MOLLE it onto the front of your plate carrier if you want. In addition to the MOLLE, you also have these belt loops, which is a great way to carry it on a civilian belt or on just a gun belt. Another option for mounting it is to MOLLE it onto our new MOLLE Hanger. So this MOLLE Hanger over here has Velcro at the top, MOLLE at the bottom facing this direction, the outside facing this direction. What this lets you do is Velcro it into the back of a plate carrier or the front of a plate carrier, so it's hanging down here or here for deployment in that way, so you can clear up a little bit of space on your battle belt and on your cummerbunds. Aside from mounting the MD2 to it, it's a great way to mount internally radios on the wings of your plate carrier underneath your cummerbund. If you're actually mounting the MD2 in the back, you can also put a horizontal AG1 for a great way to have an extra speed mag kind of in the back. Super versatile piece of mounting hardware. That's it, guys. Stay safe, but not too safe, otherwise you won't be able to test out your new MD2 in real life. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.